Cable Assemblies and Adapters for Mid-Board Optical Modules from Molex. These high-performance mid-board optical solutions deliver inside-the-box optical transceiver compatibility. Ideal for servers, routers, and switches in the data center market and applications such as cloud computing and servers in the telecommunications field. Finding cable assemblies that are compatible with your MBOM can be complicated. Molex has relationships with all MBOM manufacturers and has customizable solutions to solve unique fiber management challenges. The Molex Mid-Board Optical Modules are a complete resource of trunk cables, adapters, and assemblies that are also customizable. More information at molex.com.